Even with strong content, deliverability can still suffer if emails are sent to the wrong audience or at the wrong time. Email providers pay close attention to how recipients interact with your emails. When messages consistently go unopened or ignored altogether, it sends a signal. Over time, sending to unengaged recipients can hurt your sender reputation, making future emails harder to deliver. One common mistake is sending the same message to everyone, regardless of relevance. Larger lists don't always mean better results, especially when the message doesn't apply to the entire group of recipients. The fix is segmentation, crafting messages that match the recipient's specific situation. Some examples are stage in the relationship. A new client needs different guidance than a long-tenured account. Renewal versus prospect. A client approaching renewal needs urgency and next steps, while a cold prospect needs context and a reason to care. Commercial versus personal. A commercial lines customer doesn't need to hear about personal auto promotions. Relevance builds trust. Irrelevance trains people to ignore you. Timing matters more than most people expect, and the right time is always when your recipients are most likely to engage. A few principles to guide your timing decisions. Avoid the inbox graveyard. Emails sent Friday afternoon compete with end-of-week wrap-up, out-of-office replies, and the mental checkout that happens before the weekend. Mid-week sends consistently see higher open rates across the industry. Catch people between tasks, not in the middle of them. Late morning, 10 to 11 a.m., and early afternoon, 1 to 2 p.m., tend to outperform early morning blasts when inboxes are being triaged and deletions are occurring fast. Renewals have a built-in clock. In insurance, the best timing signal you have is the policy renewal date. Work backwards from that date and build a send cadence around it. Recipient opt-out choice isn't a preference, it's a boundary. When someone opts out or is suppressed due to bounces or spam complaints, continuing to send them marketing emails damages your sender reputation and erodes trust. Honor opt-outs immediately. Delays aren't just a best practice issue, they are a compliance risk. Suppression lists exist for a reason. Bounces and spam complaints are signals. Ignoring them hurt your deliverability for everyone on your list. Transactional does not equal promotional. Unsubscribed recipients can still receive essential account communications, but the line between informational and marketing must be clear. EZLynx helps you send smarter with targeted recipient lists, drip campaigns, and automations. You can also get built-in suppression list management and a performance dashboard that provides visibility into audience engagement, so your messages reach the right audience without putting your reputation at risk. Strong deliverability isn't a single decision, it is a series of thoughtful choices. The right message sent to the right audience at the right time.